Limousines have long been the ultimate symbol of luxury, but not all limos are equal. While some offer comfort and elegance, others push boundaries of extravagance with mind-blowing features and jaw-dropping designs. From bulletproof fortresses built for world leaders to mobile palaces decked out with gold, swimming pools, and even helipads, these limousines redefine what it means to travel in style. If you've ever wondered what true luxury on wheels looks like, you're in for a treat. The incredible machines we've put together in this list aren't just cars, they're moving works of art. Welcome back to Wow Effect. In today's video, we're taking you on another thrilling ride through 10 of the most luxurious limousines in the world. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wow Effect, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our videos. Now, let's dive in. Number 10. 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom 2 Extended Wheelbase. When it comes to luxury, Rolls-Royce set the gold standard, and the 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom 2 Extended Wheelbase takes that reputation to extraordinary heights. Designed to deliver the finest driving experience, this limousine spares no expense in wrapping its passengers in absolute comfort. Tucked between the rear seats is a cool box, complete with hand-blown glasses, perfect for enjoying chilled refreshments during long journeys. Rear passengers also treated to high-quality screens and a bespoke sound system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. Adding to its lavish design, it's the Rolls-Royce branded umbrella discreetly hidden within the door shut with a built-in drainage channel that dissipates excess water while stored. A signature touch of convenience and elegance. With its unmatched attention to detail and refined features, the Phantom 2 Extended Wheelbase stands as a rolling masterpiece of luxury and sophistication. Number 9. 2020 Mercedes-AMG G63 Armored Limousine. The 2020 Mercedes-AMG G63 Armored Limousine takes luxury and security to an entirely new level. This high-end limousine combines cutting-edge technology with supreme comfort, making every journey feel first class. Inside, swiveling captain's chairs wrapped in quilted leather offer supreme comfort. Passengers can enjoy 4K Apple TV integration, voice-activated infotainment controls, and an ultra-high-definition TV monitor for an immersive entertainment experience. For those who value both luxury and safety, there's a built-in gun safe hidden deep inside. However, if the safe needs to be reopened and its contents used, the bulletproof windows must be rolled down first, a subtle reminder that this limousine is built for both comfort and protection. With its seamless blend of innovation and elegance, the G63 Armored Limousine is a fortress on wheels, offering unmatched style and security. Number 8. 2022 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner W12. Bentley is a name that speaks for itself in luxury, and the 2022 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner W12 is a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of elegance and performance. Under the hood, this limousine boasts a 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering a staggering 626 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, making it as powerful as it is prestigious. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, featuring an exclusive Mulliner 3-color split that comes in 8 stunning combinations. Every stitch follows a unique pattern designed only for the Mulliner model. On the outside, the double diamond front grille and Mulliner branded wing vents announce its elite status at first glance. Every detail whispers luxury, making the Flying Spur Mulliner not just a ride but an experience fit for royalty. The Flying Spur Mulliner is not just a limousine, it is artistry in motion. Number 7. 2019 Toyota Century Royal Convertible. The 2019 Toyota Century Royal Convertible is where Japanese craftsmanship meets ultimate exclusivity. Built as a one-of-a-kind model for Japan's emperor, this limousine stands as a symbol of prestige and tradition. What sets the Century apart is its convertible top, a feature never seen on any other Toyota Century. This bespoke design elevates its status, making it a truly unique masterpiece. The rear seat is raised 4 centimeters higher than the standard model, allowing the Emperor to be seen effortlessly while riding in unparalleled comfort. Every inch of this car speaks of royalty, from its luxurious interiors to the gold imperial seal that replaces the traditional number plate, a mark of its unique status. With timeless design and meticulous attention to detail, the Toyota Century Royal Convertible is a moving symbol of honor and legacy. Number 6. 2009 Maybach 62S Landaulet. Few cars embody luxury and exclusivity quite like the 2009 Maybach 62S Landaulet. Its design brings to mind the glamorous open-top cars of the 1920s. One of its standout features is the Landaulet roof system, which opens up the rear cabin to offer passengers an open-air experience while keeping the chauffeur separated at the front. This feature transforms every journey into a grand display of opulence. Inside, rear passengers enjoy massaging, reclining seats wrapped in crisp white leather, paired with piano black paneling for a refined finish, while the chauffeur's cabin is finished in black leather. With its one-of-a-kind design and meticulous craftsmanship, the Maybach 62S Landaulet isn't just a limousine, it's a rolling masterpiece of power and prestige. Number 5. The 1990 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur 2 Stretch Limousine. The 1990 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur 2 Stretch Limousine is luxury on another level, especially in the hands of the Sultan of Brunei, known for amassing one of the world's most eclectic and mysterious car collections. Its exterior is plated in 24-karat gold, turning an already elegant car into a priceless masterpiece. The Sultan's custom touches don't stop there. The roof features an open-top design with an inbuilt umbrella to protect him from the elements. With its eccentric details, this Rolls-Royce is a bold statement of the Sultan's extravagant lifestyle. Number 4. 2004 Midnight Rider. Officially crowned the world's largest and heaviest limousine by the Guinness World Book of Records in 2004, this behemoth redefines luxury on a massive scale. Weighing 25 tons and stretching out like a highway titan, the Midnight Rider accommodates up to 40 passengers. It takes a 435 horsepower Peterbilt engine to get this giant moving, making every ride feel like a VIP convoy. Step inside and you're greeted by a fully stocked bar, 3 plush lounges, and 4 entertainment areas, transforming this limo into a nightclub on wheels. More than just a mode of transport, the Midnight Rider offers a lavish journey with top-tier comfort and entertainment. Number 3. 2023 Mercedes Maybach S650 Pullman Guard. If you've ever dreamed of traveling like royalty, 2023 Mercedes Maybach S650 Pullman Guard brings that vision to life. Reserved for the world's elite, this limousine blends timeless luxury with modern protection, making every journey a statement of status and security. A front-mounted camera gives rear passengers a view of the road ahead, even when the center divider is raised. Stretching 21 feet long, the Pullman Guard prioritizes comfort over cargo space, offering unmatched legroom for its occupants. Built with distinct armoring and bulletproof glass, this limousine ensures that luxury doesn't come at the expense of safety. The S650 Pullman Guard is where refinement meets reassurance, delivering a ride fit for presidents or anyone with a taste for the extraordinary. Number 2. The U.S. Presidential Cadillac Limo, the Beast. When it comes to luxury armored vehicles, nothing comes close to the U.S. Presidential Cadillac Limo, famously known as the Beast. Built to transport the United States President, this fortress on wheels is a moving stronghold. Packed with state-of-the-art defense systems, the Beast is equipped with features such as electrified door handles that deliver 120 volts to intruders, shotguns, and tear gas grenades tucked away inside. The cabin can be sealed off in case of a chemical attack, while a refrigerator stocked with the president's matching blood type and an oxygen supply is always on board for medical emergencies. It takes the Beast 15 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, and it can carry on for miles even with flat tires, although it won't be a fast escape. To add to its stealth, at least 2 identical Beasts with matching plates ride in every motorcade, making it nearly impossible to pinpoint the president's exact location. With advanced communication systems and the ability for the United States president to authorize nuclear codes in an emergency, the Beast is a symbol of power, protection, and cutting-edge technology. Number 1. 1986 The American Dream. Built by renowned custom car builder J. Orberg, this colossal creation stretches the limits of automotive luxury and holds the title of the longest car in the world. Spanning an incredible 100 feet with 26 wheels, this limo can host up to 75 passengers in unmatched opulence. On board, passengers can enjoy luxuries such as a jacuzzi, a swimming pool, and a waterbed. If that isn't extravagant enough, the American Dream boasts a helipad at the rear, ready to welcome VIP guests arriving by air. With freezers, telephones, TVs, and even a mini golf course, this limousine is the ultimate blend of luxury, entertainment, and sheer spectacle. From golden masterpieces to moving fortresses, these limousines prove that luxury sometimes isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how unforgettable the journey can be. Whether it means swimming in the pool on the American Dream or riding in the bulletproof comfort in the Beast, you'd agree with us that these machines redefine what it means to travel in style. But now, it's over to you. If you had the chance to enjoy luxury of one of these incredible rides, which one would it be? Would you prefer the high-tech security of the Mercedes-AMG G63, the 2004 Midnight Rider, or the 1986 American Dream with features such as a swimming pool and helipad? Be sure to let us know your favorite and why in the comments below. And if you're a fan of the jaw-dropping content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Wow Effect, and turn on notifications because we have more videos on the way that you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.